as you can see here, so like in Marble Falls, and what he did is Chris, after he got the sheet from Karen, Chris's job is to call every single one of these facilities. So it took Karen a day to put this list together. I mean, it took her like one day. That was it. So 7 times 8 is $56. So it cost us like $56 for her to put this list together for us of every single storage facility on Google Maps that she could find. And she did a great, fantastic job, right? And so then it's Chris's job to call every single one of these facilities. That's his job, okay, as of right now. Now, eventually we'll get Chris and Nikolai to be calling and talking to the people, but for now, and especially like as in the first step, you know, to see if anybody actually wants to sell. But as of right now, Chris does this. And Chris is just really good on the phone, honestly, and people love to talk to Chris. People just really like him. And he is a very personable person. All right, on the phone. If you are not a personable person on the phone, then you need to just find somebody that's personable. I was talking to one of my students earlier today, and he drove around and he found like all the storage facilities within the area, and he found a good like handful of them. And then he tried to call them, and they all just said, no, we don't want to sell. Right. And so he just gives up. Right. And that what I told him was that, like, essentially, you're probably not good on the phone. Right. You're probably not the person that needs to be on the phone, because if people are saying no to you, then you're not doing it correctly. Okay. You're not the right person on the phone. So find the right phone person is what I'm saying. Okay. And so Chris is very, very good on the phone, and he called all of the owners. He called all of them. There's 60 people on this list. He called them all in one day. He called every single one of them. And so as you can see on the list, it's his notes are here, right? So you could see for Marble Falls, he called every single one of these, all 6 of them. And he left voicemails. He left a message with the manager, not interested. He got an email from somebody, but but they weren't interested in selling, but he always tries to get the emails so that he can send them a quick email as well too. Like we send letters out. We'll send letters to all of these people is what we'll do. And then on top of that, we will also, and that's what I wanted to show you here. We haven't added it to this list yet, but essentially, we call them, we text them, and we send a letter to them as well too. And then we could probably have like, when is the next follow-up? Yeah, we could put this on here, and as we use this sheet, we'll just add more stuff or whatever. When is the next time that we're going to follow up or whatever, and we'll keep track of it that way. And then as you can see, like right here, this homestead client control, Nash Builders is owner, look them up and contact to make an offer. So he's making, and then as you can see, we have how many stars, Google reviews, bad or good, right? It's kind of what we do. Like, so they've got 3 stars, 1 good, 1 bad, right? So our job is to look at all the information that Google Maps provides us and to utilize that data to the best of our ability to be able to find owners and to contact them. Okay. And Marble Falls self-storage is not interested. It's 3.8 stars, and they've got 3 good reviews and 1 bad review, right? So she's going through and she's adding all this. Karen is doing all that for us. And actually, that's what I was going to do. I was going to do population also as well too. I'm going to tell her to do population.